All right, everyone, I'm going to go back to example 16. We used the table to solve this a few minutes ago in another video. So I now want to show you how to use Excel to do exactly the same thing. And we'll see that Excel is going to make it a little easier and a little shorter for us, which of course is the goal of technology to begin with. Now, remember when we used the table to do example 16? We had to subtract this probability from 1 because the table always gives us the probability that is to the left of this X star right here. And that's going to be true of Excel as well. So the first thing we'll have to do is subtract 0.65 from 1, and we get 0.35. So the value that we're going to put into Excel will be 0.35. Now I'm going to write down my mean of 175 and my standard deviation of 12, so I don't have to look back at this in order to get it when we put it into Excel. So now I've moved over to Excel. I can go to any cell I want to do this. I'll just click over here just to show any cell will do. And we're going to type in equal norm. And this time, instead of using the dist function, we're going to use the inverse function of that. And you'll notice as I open a left parentheses, it tells me the order. I'm going to put in the probability of 0.35. I'm going to put in a mean of 175 and a standard deviation of 12. And when I hit the enter, I get 170.3762. Now you'll notice that this is slightly different than what we got when we used the table, and it's actually more accurate than what we got using the table because Excel takes things more decimal places than our table would. So this, of course, is a shorter process and a more accurate process to use the Excel.